In this question, we want to write down the nth term of the following arithmetic sequences and then find the 10th term. In the first question, we have the sequence 5, 9, 13, 17, and 21. The first thing to do is write down the formula for the nth term. That's an is the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference. The first term is 5, so a equals 5. And the common difference is the difference between each pair of terms. So from 5 to 9, we would add 4. 9 to 13, we add 4, and so on. So the common difference will be 4. All we need to do then is substitute those numbers to our formula. So we have an is a, which is 5 plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is 4, and we can simplify that. So we have an is 5 plus 4n minus 4. So the nth term will be 5 minus 4 is 1 plus 4n. So if you need to find the 10th term, we want to find a10. So that is 1 plus 4 times n, and n is 10. So we get 4 tens are 40, plus 1 is 41. So the 10th term of that sequence is 41. In the next question, we have a decreasing sequence. We have 4, 1, -2, -5, -8. So the first term we can see is 4. The common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term. So that could be written as 1 minus 4, which is -3. Similarly, the difference between -5 and -2 is -5 minus -2, which is -5 plus 2, which is also -3. So the common difference is -3. We'll write our formula down again. an is a plus n minus 1 times d. Now we just need to substitute a and d to our formula. So an is a, which is 4, plus n minus 1 times the common difference, which is -3. And then we simplify. So an is 4 minus 3n plus 3. So the nth term is 7 minus 3n. And we want to find the 10th term. So a10 is 7 minus 3 times 10, which is 30. So 7 minus 30 is -23. So the 10th term is -23. In the last question, we have a sequence which involves a constant, which is c. So we can see from our sequence that a is 2c minus 5. That's our first term. And d will be the difference between, say, the second term and the first term. So we have 2c plus 2 minus the first term, which is 2c minus 5. So 2c plus 2 minus 2c plus 5. The 2c and the -2c will cancel. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So the common difference will be 7. And you can see that when you compare the second term to the third term, we've got a 2 here and a 9 here. So it's increasing by 7. So now we can write our formula for the nth term. So an is a plus n minus 1 times d. So an is a, which is 2c minus 5, plus n minus 1 times common difference, which is 7. And we'll simplify that. An is 2c minus 5 plus 7n minus 7. So the nth term is an 2c plus 7n minus 12. And now we want to find the 10th term. So a10 is 2c plus 7 times 10 minus 12. we'll get 2c plus 70 minus 12. So the 10th term will be 2c plus 58.